all right, little Eugene? We left your pants here like we promised. Sorry they got all wet.
Excuse me, brother. I am officially reporting for duty.
Father, this thing is possessing me. Father, I am losing control. Father, I have sinned.
You're blessed.
Oh, yes, they're mine, yes, they're mine, yes, they're really mine. Anytime, every time, yes, they're really mine. Oh, yes, they're mine, yes, they're mine, yes, they're down at the arcade.
Fingerprints, filthy fingerprints, excuse me.
Really mine. Anytime, every time, yes, they're really mine. Oh, yes, they're mine, yes, they're mine, yes, they're down at the arcade.
Excuse me, young man. You've got to stop playing the games. You're a disgrace. Excuse me, sir. Would you stop playing the games? Young man, you must listen to me. Hey! I'm sorry, but you're not allowed to have food on the games.
No one's ever gotten 7 figures on this machine before. Not even me. I don't know if this machine's capable of 7 figures.